I had my hair transplant at the Sharma clinic, and in February of 2018, this is what I looked like. I had a receding hairline where I didn't know what kind of haircut or what hairstyle I wanted to have at that time. Hats was kind of the go-to every time I was outside, and I felt like I always was trying to cover up where hair should be.
I actually recall I was quite skeptical, and I said to you, it's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a combined approach with medication, and it will be a couple of transplants at least.
Mm-hmm.
And I wasn't really expecting you to come back, but you did, and you were like, I want this. You were so diligent with all your aftercare, your appointments, and then you came for your final checkup post first transplant, and then you were saying, okay, let's add some more here. I'll show the camera first what you looked like in February 2018. So this is his frontal view there. And if you just put your head down for a second, as you can see, the hairline was back to here. And as we can see, it's completely reframed his face. He's one of these very rare patients who knows what he wants. He knows exactly how he wants it, and he's like a dog after a bone. But I think it's very, 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 very good.
The perfect candidate to get a hair transplant would be someone who is trying to hide their hairstyle through hats, combing their hair forward to hide that receding hairline, and ultimately who don't feel confident with their hair. If you're considering getting a hair transplant, my recommendation would be book a consultation with Dr. Sharma. Sitting down with him, he will tell you right then and there if it's going to work or if it's not going to work. Trust his opinion. He's great, and look at what he did.